This is the 2012 to 2015 Lexus LX Hamilton Upgrade Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. Let's set up wireless Android Auto. Long hold the voice speech button to switch to the Hamilton operating system. Now pull out your Android device, open Settings, Connected Devices, pair a new device, and wait till you see a device starting with Hamilton. Click on it. A pairing code will pop up. Make sure Allow Access to Contacts is turned on and click Pair. Now wait a few seconds, touch Android Auto on the screen, and just like that, wireless Android Auto will appear. This is wireless Android Auto. When you get into the car in the future, it will automatically pair and open. After you've paired wireless Android Auto, it's important that you put the system into aux mode. Long hold the voice speech button, touch audio, and make sure it's set to aux mode. What this means is your phone is streaming your music through to the Hamilton Upgrade Kit. And we've grabbed the aux line behind the factory radio, and that's how the Hamilton Upgrade Kit is playing audio. This is fully compatible with Mark Levinson, and you will not lose any audio quality. I would also recommend that one time after installing this, you come to Setup, Bluetooth, Register Devices, and you remove your original Bluetooth devices. You want your phone only paired to the new Hamilton network. In Android Auto, you can shift to reverse. You'll see your original backup camera. All original functionality and features remain. And coming back to park or drive will bring you right back into Android Auto. We've precision calibrated this system to work with your factory microphone. You can easily talk to the Google Voice Assistant by pressing the voice speech button. Hey Google, how's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
Currently in Raleigh, it's 73 degrees and sunny. Today, it'll be sunny, with a forecasted high of 75 and a low of 53.
Because we're using the factory microphone, the Google Voice Assistant has no trouble hearing us. You can see here that any app that has an Android Auto component will automatically show up here in Android Auto. And you can swipe from the right here. You can use any music app, Spotify, YouTube Music, Pandora, or otherwise, as well as you'll have access to large, beautiful navigation. This system is engineered in Raleigh, North Carolina, tested on American spec vehicles. At Hamilton Motor Company, we capture all of our own CAN bus data. That's the data between these modules as how they communicate. What that means is you can be confident that our systems will work on your car and not cause factory glitches. Systems from overseas that aren't developed in America can have intermittent failures between the factory systems. We use top-of-the-line components, including an ARM Cortex-based processor, and that is how we can back our system with a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. We also have concierge-style tech support here to help you before, during, or after your purchase. This system will preserve all of your factory features. You can see the steering wheel controls there. If you have any questions, give us a call at 919-858-2890. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.